go. And just like that, we're here. Let's get this thing started. Ford Takeover 2025. Everybody's getting lined up for the pre-meet. Check them out, still rolling in. And of course, the world famous Dale. But yep, everybody is rolling in. And Caleb Road Warrior, Coyote Swap, Whipple, everything. Working this bad boy. Yep, check that out. I love those wheels. Nice Rovos. Always love the Rovos. Especially look how deep those bad boys are. A few more cars have shown up. Yeah. Parking lot looks good. Sit out in front of Joe Nathan's, like a bar and grill. Yeah. Take one more quick look at these bad boys. I'm finna shut this little short video down. What's up, y'all?
There you go.
Yeah, but you can't beat this turnout. Everybody's still pre-meeting it up. See the neons coming out. Well, y'all seen this bad boy right here. Bill's truck on Foxcast Media. And that thing is a beast, y'all. I'm telling you, if you ever get to one of these events and see this bad boy, you've got to come check it out. Whippled up. And that bad Coyote. From what you can see, hopefully. Yeah, check it out. I've seen this bad boy right here before. It is a freaking beast. And one of my faves right here. All lit up with the neon. Now check that out. Yep, scattered all over. See the neon popping.
But I will say though that his dad passed away.
Yep, everybody having a good time. But like I was saying, this is a short video. Just wanted to document some of the pre-meet. Good turnout, and we're going to the Dyno shootout tomorrow at the Horsepower Factory, and we'll see you there. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Fox Chamber. We are at the Horsepower Factory. I've been doing a whole lot of talking and not a lot of filming, but we're gonna get the one that's on the inside now. It is a freaking beast. We're gonna check this thing out and see what it does. Let me ease how you doing, sir? Yeah.
302 stock head 40.
GT40.
What's it really got? 445.
Here's the man that makes everything happen right here.
What's up?
Ken,
What's your TV dog?
what's going on, bro?
Not much, man.
I got 365 and I wanted to.
I had a guy, it was over 2 years ago, I had bought a model car and he built it. So, and it was
Right.
Oh, you did the big stuff. But I said,
What did you get? He went from a 262 to 270. Yeah, some nice ones out here. Looks like there's a few more out here this year than last year. Yeah, they're everywhere. And see, this is how it looks in the daylight. You didn't get to see it in the other video. Look at that whipple look. This is it.
What we got here?
This is a 427 wide top.
Just a 427 with a YS5 B, YS5 B on it. Okay, so you want to tell them anything else? It's slow gears in it. Here you go. 430 gears. What else? Automatic. right, young man, this thing sounds spicy. Super spicy. What's it got done to? 427 twin turbo. 427 twin turbo. What is that? Victor pipe. Okay. Automatic car, 5-speed car, 6-speed car. C56. Heck yeah. Bet this thing's fun on the road, ain't it? Heck yeah. Good luck. Hey, what's it gonna make?
Anything over 1,000, I'll be happy.
Anything over $1,000. Huh?
Yeah, that would be the first for today.
Yep, $1,000.
Thank you. And good night, 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 and good night.